Okay, this is all of the stuff that people have donated. That's the pool table there with all the blankets on top. Here's some dog beds. This is a stack of those there. And dog bowls. And I put all of the shampoo and flea collars and nail clippers and vitamins and sprays, stuff like that in there. And these are all towels. And then here's a front view of the pool table. There's all the blankets. More down there. And a stack of doggy treats. Which Isis would love to eat, don't you? You want to eat those, don't you? Oh, yes. And finally, a box full of toys. These are all toys in there. And then the grand finale is this beautiful quilt. I'll back up here a second so you can see it. How cool is that quilt? Beautiful.